And now we're going to toss things back over to our meteorologist, Rachael Peart.
Yeah, so Henri weakened to a tropical depression, but it's still going to continue to drop those tropical type rainfall amounts up into parts of New England and into New York. So we're not done watching Henri just yet. Here at home, we're pretty much done watching the rainfall. Maybe a little bit of some sprinkling still happening across the area, but the heavy rain, the severe thunderstorms, and that flood risk, that's all over for tonight. The past 12 hours, a few areas in particular really saw some of those heavier downpours. As we look towards Matthews County, you do see those rainfall amounts upwards of 3, maybe even over 3 inches of rain estimated there, and then also into parts of Accomack and Northampton counties as well. Heading down to the Virginia-North Carolina line, we're heading down to Chesapeake. Here's the line between Chesapeake and Virginia Beach. Right in the middle of your screen is the state line near Bear Quarter, south of Hickory, right around Northwest, just to the north of Moyock. We had some rainfall amounts of over 3+ inches of rain estimated by rainfall. And take a look at this. We did have a report of a flash flood in the area of Northwest in Chesapeake. Lane closures on 168 as we head toward that Virginia-North Carolina state line. A little bit farther north, we actually had in the Fentress neighborhood a report of some trees down into that area of Chesapeake during the time we had a severe thunderstorm warning. Also had a couple of hail reports and multiple strong wind reports from the eastern shore down through Southside Hampton roads and then even into western Tidewater as well. Rain chances over the next 6 hours, slim to none. This 10% might even be a stretch. It's looking more like 0% if we're going to be honest with each other. 88 degrees for this high today in Newport News. We got to 91 in Chesapeake, 90 in Virginia Beach, and 89 this afternoon in Wallops Island. Currently much quieter. You can see those flags at the DQ at the ocean front not moving too much. They were definitely whipping around in the winds just a few hours ago. At the beach, 72 degrees there, 72 also in Newport News and in Hampton as well, 71 in Suffolk and 70 degrees at Norfolk International. Tomorrow, very similar high temperatures, upper 80s, low 90s with a low risk for a shower or storm, especially during the second half of the day. Tomorrow's commute forecast, green lights on the morning commute. And you know what? Green lights on the afternoon commute, except for the chance for some isolated showers. Now, I don't think it's going to be widespread enough for me to put this in the yellow, but just know, ride home, we could be talking about just a couple of showers out there. If you're not going to work tomorrow, I'm not telling anybody if you're going to the beach, but here's your beach forecast. Rip current risk low to moderate, UV index very high for tomorrow, and you do see those low-end rain chances during the second half of the day. Surf heights at 2 feet, water temperature upper 70s for tomorrow. Tuesday, we'll be doing the same thing, upper 80s, low 90s. Afternoon storms are possible during the second day of the work week, partly cloudy skies, and you do see those winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Taking you over to the tropics very quickly. Of course, we have tropical depression Henri. We also have this tropical wave off the western coast of Africa. Don't worry about that. Right now, it only has a 10% chance of becoming anything tropical within the next 5 days. In the 2-day outlook, 0% chance. 7-day outlook, we do have looks like a 0% chance of rain, but not until we get to the day on Thursday. Might have to slide in at 10% on Thursday as well, but tomorrow 20%, and then we have about 30% chance for some showers or storms during the day on Tuesday and Wednesday. But the good news is we don't have high washout chances for rain this week is what it looks like. We keep them mainly on the low side, but the heat and humidity, Allison, won't be low at all.